Kia ora rā, te whānau whānui o te whare patuati taniwha. Me he Korokoro Tui, ko Ihaka tēnei, tumana ko, ko koutou, kei te ora pai tonu mō tēnei rā. So I'm just doing this small video. Been a bit late in posting videos up. It's been over a week now. I have spoken to Matua Tumu about that, and just been really thing with work commitments. Also, the past couple of days ago, a few days ago, I got the very sad news that I lost a very close cousin of mine back home in New Zealand. Yeah, so been a bit down due to being unable to get back home to Awhi, the whānau, and also because of these coronavirus pandemic and how that's escalating dramatically. So hope everyone's safe back home too, and our kuia and kaumātua and our whānau. Just yeah, so I was actually here Waiata Pākehā. I was actually going to sing a very old song, and it was a very is the right word, somber, yeah, but it was when I actually I done a video of it, and then when I listened back, it was depressing me. So I actually wanted to change it. So the waiata that I've chosen for today is "Thinking of You" by House of Sheep. So I'm going to give that a crack. Okay. Girl I love, search my whole life to hopefully see you right here by my side. Trapped in my heart, girl, you're always on my mind. Give me your love, I'll make sure I give you mine. Ooh, it's crazy. Your love is like a piece of our world. Dreaming that we were together. It's just crazy, girl. Love is like something I can't describe, no. Like the look of the rose, the smell of the rain, or the feeling of forever. No matter what I do, I can't stop thinking about you. No matter what I do, I can't stop thinking about you. To proclaim that I loved you, well, it's so easy to say it. For that I will tell you in my own special way. Meaningful words, girl. Ooh, through the warmth of my touch, yeah. Nights of romance, girl. You know, baby, you deserve so much. Ooh, it's crazy. Love is like a piece of our world. As I lay here, dreaming that we were together. It's crazy, girl. Love is something you can't describe, no. Like the look of the rose, the smell of the rain, or the feeling of forever. No matter what I do, I can't stop thinking about you. matter what I do, I can't stop thinking about you. Yes, me love the way your sweet talk I dread. I have run, stand and reason about the way you walk and sway, and the clothes that you wear. Me a Rasta Kanda, and I think that you was that screaming girl, need some comfort, love, and in my world. It's just girl, you are my girl, and there's nothing and something I cannot say. No matter what I do, I can't stop thinking, no baby, about you. No matter what I do, I can't stop thinking about you. They went a bit off track a little bit there, but haere tonu ki te kaupapa, you know, whae titi kaurangi ki te tū o hukoe, me he maunga teitei. So, kia ora whānau, got rough around the edges, but gave it a good go, and ko te wero tuatahi, mō te kaupapa he Korokoro Tui, ai, mutu. Kia ora whānau, see you on the next one. By the way, everyone be safe out there with this issue with the pandemic. It's just escalating at a exponential rate. So take care of yourselves, take care of our kuia and kaumatua, and much love to everyone and our whānau over there. Ngā mihi nui, i a koutou mā, mō te rangi nei. Kia ora.